Introducing the all-new 2014 Can-Am Spyder RT. With advancements in torque, efficiency, and comfort you will immediately feel. It starts with the new 3-cylinder Rotax 1330 Ace high-torque engine, designed specifically for the demands of exhilarating open-road touring.
The benefit of the 1330 Triple is high torque response in every gear. You open the throttle from the get-go, you have 40% more low-end torque. The engine will be very responsive. You need to experience it. It's strong.
A new 6-speed transmission, available in manual or semi-automatic, makes for smoother, quieter, more efficient cruising.
The new 6-speed transmission brings the engine RPM down to 3,300 RPM at cruising speed. Of course, it's more pleasant and it's more relaxed.
Plus, every Spyder RT features EcoMode Smart Assist to optimize shifting for improved fuel efficiency.
Fuel efficient, good torque, good performance. So it's everything together.
With all of these advancements, the Can-Am Spyder RT now has a fuel range of up to 252 miles. Can-Am Spyder's unique Y-frame design, combined with 7 advanced automotive technologies like ABS, traction, and stability control, provides incredible control that inspires confidence in both rider and passenger. From footboards and the new Ultra Comfort Touring Saddle to the adjustable rear air suspension, Spyder RT is unparalleled in rider and passenger comfort. There's an audio system with iPod capability and more. Onboard storage is unmatched and can expand up to 777 liters with the only factory trailer on the market. Discover the exhilaration of the open road on the ultimate touring machine, the newly redesigned Spyder RT. Take a test ride at your nearby Can-Am Spyder dealer.